Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Island Breeze on the Mickey Mouse short No Service. What we're going to do in this video, first of all, we'll look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele, then the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to both channels, the Uke Play-Alongs channel on YouTube and the UkeStuff channel on YouTube. And finally, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. The first chord is the G chord, then the E7 chord. Now with E7, put your first finger on the 4th-string 1st fret, and then second finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and then your ring finger on the 1st string 2nd fret. All right, then you'll have an A7 chord, a C chord, and then finally a D7, or what we commonly call a Hawaiian D7 chord, because the way we play it doesn't actually sound a D on the chord itself, but that's the Hawaiian D7. And those are the 5 chords you need to play Island Breeze on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Now let's look at baritone. All right, on baritone, we're going to start with the G chord, then an E7 chord, then an A7 chord. This is a bar chord. Your first finger is going to go across all 4 strings right above the 2nd fret. You're going to pull against the fretboard while holding your ukulele securely, like this. I like to give you most of the sound that you need, but then you add your thumb for some support, and then you add your second finger to the 1st string 3rd fret. Then we'll have the C chord, and then finally the D7 chord. And those are the 5 chords you need to play Island Breeze on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now as we start talking about strumming, usually I say something such as, there was no ukulele in the original recording, so whatever we do works. In this case, there was ukulele in the original. However, you don't necessarily have to play what was done on the original recording. You can do something else. So here are the 3 rules of strumming. First of all, play the right chord at the right time. Second, keep a steady tempo, whether you're playing by yourself or with the video. And third, make sure that whatever you're doing fits with the actual music itself. Now what I'm going to give you is an idea of what I hear happening through the whole thing on ukulele, and then you can try to replicate that. If you think it's something different, by all means do that. Or if you can't do what I'm doing, as long as you're following those 3 rules, that's all you need to do. So really, the song is split up into 2 different strums, and really it's 1 strum and then part of that strum. So here's what I'm hearing. At the beginning, I'm hearing this. If you're watching, I'm going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. My hand never stops. I'm playing where the body meets the neck, right there. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's going to get you through the first 2 lines of the song, Island Breeze, take my message across the sea. It's going to go like this with the chords G, E7, and A7. Now, once we get to the words to the 1, the chord's going to change on the word 1 to a C chord. You're going to be playing just the first part of that strum. So instead of going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, you're just going to get down, down, up, and you're changing to the next chord. But we're going to be on the C chord now. C, A7, G, E7. Let's try it. And then we're finishing it off down, down, up, single strum on the recording, because it then just ends. Remember, this song isn't available just by itself. You have to sort of take it out of the full cartoon itself, so it ends very abruptly. So again, the second part with the chords C, A7, G, E7, and then you finish up with A7, D7, and a single strum on G. Goes like this. Now, if you play standard GCEA ukulele and wonder what it sounds like on baritone, or you're playing baritone and want to play along with that, let's do that too. Remember, baritone, the chord names are the same, but the shapes are different because the tuning is different. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so with those chords and that strumming, that's all you need to do to be successful on the song Island Breeze as recorded by Minnie Mouse and made available on the Mickey Mouse Short No service. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.